Welcome back. If you're new here, hello, this is Meherun. I am a professional makeup artist based in Dubai, and today I am going to share with you my nighttime skincare routine. First things first, as soon as I get back home, now we have to wash our hands before we do anything. So I do that, I change my clothes, and then I take off my accessories, even my nose pin, because I really like to go in there, while do the massaging with the cleanser and all. I like to put my hair up. Generally I do this because my hair has grown like pretty long, and this is not neat. I do not need this to be neat, but doing this gives me a beautiful, effortless waves onto my hair when I take these braids down. The reason behind tying my hair up is I really want my hair away from my face, so that while washing and applying the mask and the moisturizers and everything, it doesn't mess with my hair, So to be honest, I really do not wear makeup on an everyday basis now, but I still like to maintain a routine for my morning and evening. So the first thing that I do is I have very crusty lips. I love to scrub them off with this product. This is by Fresh. This is the lip scrub. It looks like this. So what I do is I scoop out with my nails like about this much, and then I keep massaging it on my lips. I mean, it is really difficult to do it while I'm talking. And I keep massaging it like on a circular motion, on the corners of my mouth, on my lips, the inside, and here. It smells so good. Try not to eat it, but I keep on massaging it till I feel the grains are almost melted. And then I take my face halo and just remove everything off my lips. The feeling after you scrub your lips, you guys, it feels so soft. There is no crustiness or flakiness on your lips. And the best thing that I like about this product is it does not dry out my lips while scrubbing. So it feels pretty soft. Let's move on to the next step. So at the moment, the cleanser that I am using is this one. This is by evelom, and this is a gel. What is this? This is a gel balm cleanser. So the consistency is really balmy, but when I massage it onto my face, it turns into oil. And then if I add a few drops of water while massaging it in, it emulsifies and it literally takes off all the leftover makeup or whatever you might have left from the first step of cleansing. And then I take my muslin cloth, which I have run under some warm water, and just take off the cleanser like this. So this makes sure there is nothing left of the cleanser on my face. And after that, I just splash some water on my face and pat it dry. On the days when I am generally wearing a head ton of makeup, I really do not just depend on that cleanser. I make sure that there is nothing, no sort of makeup left onto my face. And to make that sure, this one comes in handy. This is the Bioderma. I take it on a cotton pad and just go over my face and my neck and the nooks and crannies of my face where generally the cleanser cannot reach, just to make sure there is nothing left on my face and my face is absolutely a clean canvas. So the reason behind I go with all these cleansers and micellar waters, just to make sure there is nothing left on my face. And it is extremely important for you to remove everything from the corners, from your neck and everywhere. If there is any makeup left anywhere on your face or anywhere, it clogs your pores, and that is how you get all those unwanted pimples, rashes, and in the long run your skin will not look as healthy, even though you are taking good care of it, you think. So now, if you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys know what a face mask junkie I am. I love face masks. So generally I try to do face mask at least twice a week, but now that we are in lockdown, I'm trying to do it more often, but still it doesn't happen. In another video, I'm going to share with you what face masks I really like. But so for tonight, my choice of face mask is this one. This is by Drunkelephant. This is the TLC Sukari Baby Facial. This has 25% AHA and 2% BHA. So if you guys do not know what AHA and BHA does, in simple words, I am not gonna make it complex. In simple words, these are chemical exfoliants. Do not be alarmed because this does not mess with your skin condition. Yet these are quite potent. The way it works is it gets to the very deep down on your skin and exfoliates it from there. Literally eats up all the dead skin. So your face looks bright, smooth, less wrinkled, less textured, baby soft. I mean, I really like this product. Hey Siri, put a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 15 minutes.
So while I am letting this dry, I just wanted to share with you some facts about this mask. Number one, your skin will tingle a little bit when you apply this. That means the product has started to work. Do not be alarmed. And when I wash it off, my skin goes a little red, but that redness comes down in some time. Do not be alarmed in that front as well. I will see you after 15 minutes. So right after that, I move on to my skincare. The first product that I use is this treatment lotion by La Mer. I do not use a toner. This is just a personal preference. You can use it if you like. So I think this I prefer to use because this actually preps my skin for whatever I am gonna put after this, as in my serums, my cream and everything. I just dab it and pat it on my face just like this. I bring it onto my neck also. Whatever product you're using on your face, just make sure you do not forget your ears and your neck. And pro tip, whatever is left onto my hands, I tend to put it on my hands as well, because this is the area which ages fast. So after that, generally what I do is I apply this product onto my face. This is by Drunkelephant. This is the TLC Flambous Glycolic Night Serum. So this also has 12% AHA and BHA, and today I'm not going to use it because I have already used a product which has AHA and BHA, so that is enough. And also, if you are using this, you do not use this every night, you use this every other night. That's how. So I am skipping on that, and right after that I am going in with some serum, which is this one. This is a travel size, so I am using it up first. I am definitely gonna buy the full size because I love this product. This is by La Mer. This is the regenerating serum. This also helps with your texture, your fine lines, your pores, and overall creates a barrier in between the harshful environment and your skin. I just realized I am turning into a red tomato, but don't be alarmed. It is not the product which is causing this. It is the massage that I'm doing onto my face, which is getting the blood flow going. That is why I look like a tomato. After that, I move on to my eye cream, and for my eye cream I am using right now is the La Mer, the eye concentrate, and this comes with this tool which is really cool. What I do is I scoop up a little bit of product with this and then just apply it directly from it. So because this product is metal, it feels really cool and soothing underneath my eyes, and I put it a little bit on top of my eyes as well. And then I blend it with my fingers. Always use your ring fingers while blending in your eye cream because this puts the least pressure underneath your eyes, and you have to be extremely gentle around your eye area. So after that, I go in with my face oil. You guys know I love facial oils because it hydrates, it does so many things for my skin. For now, I'm using this La Mer Renewal Oil. I have been using this oil for a good 3 to 4 years now. So the trick for this is there is like 2 layers in it. You have to shake the oil really well. When it's blended, you just pump it, and then what I do is I directly apply it on my face, here, here, here. So this is the time I give myself a little bit of facial massage. Like I do this for my neck, do this. And just make sure when you are giving yourself a facial massage, you are not dragging your face down. You're always going in upwards motion. You do not want your face to sag sooner, do you? Ears, neck, and whatever is left onto my hands, on my chest, and of course my arms. So this is one step which I should be doing on an everyday basis, generously, but I'm guilty, I don't, just simply because I'm lazy. I should be doing it, but whenever I do this on my face regularly, I definitely see a difference onto my skin. So I use this side just to massage underneath my eyes like this and on top of my eyes. So I keep on doing this for about a minute or till the time it becomes, the stone fills room temperature. I mean, it does not feel cool anymore. And then the other side, I go like this. So this has a lot of benefits, like it helps with lymphatic drainage, it helps you calm down. I just do it because my face feels really puffy and I could do a bit of lymphatic drainage. And the last step is moisturizer. So as we are transitioning from summer to autumn, my skin has already started showing its dry flakes. So I have switched from my La Mer Reach cream to something a little bit more intense, which is this one. This is by Sisley. This is beautiful. This is so hydrating. This is anti-aging and it hydrates so intensely. So I use about this much and rub it in between my hands and then massage it all over my face, on my neck, and it feels so good, you guys. I mean, of course, Sisley products also smell incredibly good, but I have been using this product for over a year now, more than almost 2 years, you can say. And whenever I use this, my skin feels so plump and juicy the next morning. Oh my god. So if you are suffering from excessive dry skin, maybe you can give it a try. This has worked for me. My skin is so dry, like the next morning I will wake up and I will see like all the dry patches all over my face. And since the time I have started using this, my skin feels so plump and juicy. So that is it for my nighttime routine. After that, generally what I do is I use some castor oil on my lashes and on my eyebrows, but generally I do that right before I go to bed. So let me zoom you guys a little bit. Okay, so we are very up close and personal, but look at the skin. It is cleansed, it is hydrated, it is treated with AHA and BHA. Oh my god, this feels really, really good. So yeah, that is my nighttime skincare routine, y'all. I hope this was a little bit informative for you and the steps and products that I'm using was helpful for you to understand why am I using those, right? So that's all for tonight. Good night, take care,